Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get and use the freezer in Scrap Mechanic. So first of all, we'll need to get the schematic, and this can be done by completing the third grow lab. And once you do this, at the end you'll see a chest which you need to break with a hammer, and this is going to give you the freezer schematic. Once you have it, go to your base, go to a craft bot, and here you'll need to craft it from some metal block level 2s, component kits, circuit boards, and chemicals. Once you do this, place it down on a suitable place, and now to use it you'll need to gather some water using a vacuum pump or a bucket and put it inside of the freezer. This is going to freeze the water into ice blocks, and it is going to consume 1 water per 20 ice blocks. Also, it is going to take up to 3 minutes to make one batch of the ice blocks. So this is pretty much all how to get and use it. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.